Now, I want to add some advanced options in this page, which will not only increase the conversion rate, but will also increase the average order value. And to do that, I will install some third-party apps on this store. So, I will simply exit this editor now, and then I will click on this Apps option on the left menu. The first app that I want to install is a product review app. You see, product reviews are essential to build trust with your audience. Studies shows that adding social proof to your website can increase conversions by up to 15%, so it is really important to add them in the product page. Shopify have dozens of product review apps, but the one that I like is called Judge Me Product Review App. The best part is that this app comes up with a free plan, which basically provides everything you need. You can see the full pricing comparison here. Next, click on this View Demo Store button. This will take us to a demo store where you'll see a demo of this app. Simply click on any of these products. Here, you can see this star rating, and when you scroll down, you'll see these product reviews. These reviews are gathered by this product review app, and we are going to set up this on our store product page. So let's go back to the Shopify App Store, and then click on this Install button. Again, click on this Install button to fully install this app. Next, you'll see this welcome message. Here, you need to select your preferred language and your store theme. Next, we need to enable this app on our store editor, so click on this Enable App button. This will take you to the Shopify editor. Here you need to make sure that this app is enabled, and then hit the Save button on the top right. And then go back and click on Continue. Now we need to enable the Review widget, so click on this Enable Widget option, which will again take you to the Shopify editor. The Review widget will get active on its own, and then you'll see these sample reviews here. Now we only need to hit the Save button, and then come back to the dashboard. Click on this Continue button, and then click on this Enable Star Rating button. Once the start rating is added, I will simply select it and position it just before the product title, and then hit the Save button. Next, we need to set up our brand colors. You can select any color of your choice from here. And last but not least, you'll see this automatic review option. This app will send a review request to all the people who make any purchase from your store. You only need to select a time for that. I personally like the 14-day delay, so I will keep it that way, and then click on this Finish button. Alright, we've successfully set up this app. Now we can successfully collect our customers' reviews and show them in our store. Next, I will click on this Explore Judge Me option. This is the dashboard of this app. Here, you'll see this pop-up, which will encourage you to try the premium plan of this app. You can try the premium plan for 15 days for absolutely free. But for now, I will continue with the free plan. Now, you can see the dashboard of this app, and you will also see this advanced setup checklist. You can simply follow this checklist to set this app even further. Okay? Now it's time to check if this app is working fine or not. So I will simply go to the Shopify store and then click on any product here. Here, when you scroll down, you'll see this customer review section. So I will click on this Write a Review button. First, I will give my ratings here. Next, I will simply enter some dummy text in these sections. I can also upload some photos or videos here. And then I will simply add my name and email and then click on this Submit button. Now, it will take some moments to update the review. So, I will simply refresh this page, and as you can see, the review is now available here, which means that the review app is working just fine. Okay, now let's say that I am not liking the color of this review in my page. So I will simply go back to the dashboard, and then I will go to General Settings on the left. Here, I will click on Branding, and then I will change this color from yellow to green. And now if I go back and refresh this product page, you'll see that the color is now looking much more attractive. And with this step, our product review setup is complete. This was just a basic setup of this app, but there are a ton of things that you can do with this app. For example, if you go back to the dashboard and then go to this widget option, you'll see many other options. These are some advanced stuff, and for now I will skip these parts as the basic setup is complete. But if you want me to create a detailed tutorial on this app, then simply comment tutorial in the comment section, and I will create a detailed tutorial on this product review app